this week. We had a few setbacks. We had the insulation for the fire stop ended up failing. So they said we needed some around the vent right there. We needed a few more in the spots around the corners. So we really doubled up, really beefed up those areas. So hopefully these picky home building inspectors can really see what they want to see. I know they have a job to do, but sometimes they can be a little nitpicky when it comes to stuff, and it frustrates you as a home builder, somebody that's waiting on your house to be done, because I can't put all that drywall up until they give me the go-ahead to get through this rough-in building inspection. Now, they noted those areas. They also noted down the hallway here, and this is how nitpicky they are. So they don't want any penetrations in the walls from the first floor to the second floor, or from the ceiling from the first floor to the second floor. So they also noted this right here, that little hole where the thermostat cable goes up to the HVAC unit. They're holding us up for a whole week over those little nitpicky things that we can accomplish from the attic side. So now my drywall is here, but I can't put it up. It's one of those things. In a building situation, you learn there's going to be things that you can't control. You just got to do what you can to get through those and get your house finished. So my contractor and I, we got a plan together. We got all of the drywall delivered on Friday. Monday, they're starting drywall. Our inspector's supposed to come by first thing Monday morning, clear us. I don't think there's anything that would hold us up drywall, because literally all of those draft stop that they asked us to do have been easily done all the way around. And they're just kind of giving us a little bit of the slow roll, just like our septic people did, and it's frustrating. That's the county you live in, the amount of time they have to get out there. I don't know. It's just frustrating, but we're getting through it. I think this week we'll get a lot of drywall up before Thanksgiving. I hope so. I'm going to try to wash the roof today. That's the real big goal for today. I've got a long telescoping brush I'm going to use, and I'm going to go do that right now. Hopefully I can give you an update while I'm doing it, and then an update after it's done to see what it looks like. So I don't know if I get it all done today. I'm going to climb up there and scrub all that dirt off. Just some Dawn dish soap and a car wash brush. I'm going to try to do the front today. If I have enough time, I'll do the back. But this is the before. See if it makes a difference. I guarantee it will. It's the mud from the workers that put the roof up about 2 months ago. It's just stuck on there. So I'm gonna climb up there, wash it, see if I can get it clean. All right, for those people that have not seen a standing seam roof up close, this is what a standing seam roof looks like. It's got screws down here at the bottom, and then it has like a little trough, and then it bridges up. That's actually where the clips are, and there's clips all the way up to the ridge line, and then the panels sit on the clips. So I've been up here washing. You can tell it's a lot dirtier over there than it is over here. It's gonna take a couple scrubs, but I think what I'm doing is working. I just got a long telescoping brush, and I have to wash and go up and down each trough, move my ladder, go to the next one. It's kind of a slow, monotonous process, but I got to get it done because I think that doesn't look good. That's dirt. This is clean. I like clean. Well, after 2 days of cleaning on the roof, I got it fairly clean compared to what it was. Climbed up that valley pan, which is kind of precarious in its own self, but I got it really good in that general area, more so than I did over here. I'm gonna have to come back in this general vicinity and scrub some more. I think there's some chalk lines up there and some of the tacky stuff, the tape, the sticky tape that they use to secure the roof on. That's what some of this is in the valley. So it's got to be dealt with. I have to come back and climb up there again on a day that the wind's not blowing so hard and get that. All in all, pretty happy with the result. Wish I could have got it a little bit cleaner, but I think a couple scrubs will get it. It's slow and tedious, but it'll shine up a little bit better every time, I guess. So this is our property from the bottom corner. We won't get to really show it from this end because it's a dead end road that we live on. So it's kind of the bottom corner of our property where it meets the road. And then our property runs right through there and then cuts back behind the house.